a great day for a surprise egg hunt. Peppa and Mummy Pig had already found one in the station and were taking it to the beach to open it. The train arrived and Peppa and Mummy climbed in. When they arrived at the beach, they got out of the train and opened the egg. Inside was Rarity. Peppa was delighted. Just then, Thomas arrived. "If you're looking for eggs, there's one on the signal. I could collect it for you," he said to Mummy and Peppa. "That would be great," replied Mummy. "Could you also pick up Daddy Pig and George on the way?" she asked. "No problem," answered Thomas, and off he went. Daddy Pig and George were waiting at the station. "Here comes Thomas," they both said, and hopped on board. They managed to move the egg from the signal into the truck and then steamed off to join Mummy and Peppa at the beach. When they arrived, they pushed the egg off the truck and began to open it. Inside was a Hello Kitty charm. "I wonder where the next egg is," said Mummy Pig. "It's on the island," cried Peppa and George together, and they started to wade into the sea. But the water was too deep. Peppa remembered seeing a boat on the platform. "Great idea," smiled Daddy Pig. So Peppa and Daddy climbed onto the train to fetch it. Daddy Pig heaved the boat onto the train and then they returned to the beach. The boat was pushed into the sea and Daddy Pig got in. He carefully rowed to the island and collected the egg. "Hooray!" cried Peppa and George. "Let's open it." Inside was a muddy Peppa. Peppa thought it was really funny. "Can anyone remember seeing another egg?" asked Mummy Pig. "Yes," cried George. "I saw one by the yellow house." "Let's go and get it then," smiled Mummy, and they climbed onto the train. Picked the egg up and returned to the beach. inside the egg was Princess Anna. Just then, Thomas appeared again. "Have you found all the eggs?" he asked. "No," replied Peppa. "We're missing one and we're not sure where it is." "I'll keep a lookout for it," said Thomas. "I'm just off to the coal hopper." And with that, he steamed off. Thomas backed into the hopper, but instead of coal, a surprise egg fell out. "Well, I never," said Thomas. "I'd better take this to Peppa." George was delighted to see Thomas with the last egg. "Let's open it," he cried, and so they did. Inside was Lightning McQueen. "What great fun," they all said. "We love surprise egg hunts." Thank you for watching our video. Here's another one you may have missed.